what is up? It's your girl Shikli here, back at it with another video. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys 4 different hairstyles you can achieve with a short curly frontal unit like this one that I have on my head. Now, this hair is from Elva Hair Company, and Elva Hair Company is a hair company that offers very affordable frontal unit closure units, also individual bundles as well, and they're very affordable. So if you are looking for a good bargain but still for a great quality, then definitely check them out. I love this hair. I love the texture. I love the length. I love everything. And if you guys want more hair videos like this that will show you like different ways on how to style your frontal unit, then definitely comment down below and let me know. You guys, fall is here, which means that our hair needs to be styled, profiled, and bombed and laid, and you know, we just need to be, our hair needs to speak for ourselves, okay? So if you guys are a little bit confused, this makeup is from another video, my previous video that I uploaded, also featuring this hair. If you guys have not seen that video on this makeup, then definitely check that out. Check the description box, or just wait until the video is over and I will have the video already on the screen for you guys to already just click and watch. If you are not subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. And let me know what you guys think of this hair on me. I personally love short hair and I love curly hair. So this is like a perfect mixture. Yeah, I'm feeling it, y'all. Comment down below and let me know if you guys are feeling it too. So yeah, with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. Alright, so here is the wig in its natural state. This is how it looks when you first receive it. And I love this hair. I love the texture. I'm showing you guys the inside and the foundation of the wig. The lace comes back pretty far, so I think it's a 13 by 4 or 13 by 6, I'm not sure, but it does have a very nice deep parting, and it gives the illusion that the wig looks even more natural. I did pluck the hairline just a little bit, and I also bleached the knots on this unit. I'm just showing you guys the hairline in its natural state. I didn't really have to pluck it, but I wanted to anyway. And I'm showing you guys the curls, and yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how it looked before I installed it. And we're just gonna jump into the video. I'm not gonna really talk throughout the video. I'm just gonna let you guys know that I actually really do like this hair company. I love the texture of the hair. I love how it looks when it's curly. My favorite way to wear this hairstyle is in a side part or middle part when it's wet. And yeah, so if you guys are interested, just check the description box down below for the link so that you guys can purchase this hair. And yeah, I'm gonna shut up now and you guys just sit back and enjoy this video and enjoy the different hairstyles that I came up with. Some of them are really simple, but they're wearable. So yeah, we're just gonna watch the rest of the video. I hope you all enjoy. so that completes this mini hair tutorial featuring Elva hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are interested, the link to their company will be listed down below in the description box, as well as the link to the direct link to this unit that I have on my head. So with that being said, today's motivational quote is very simple and very short. With God, all things are possible. So remember that and take that with you as you go throughout your week, your day, and just keep that in the back of your mind. So with that being said, I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.